I put a hook on my drawband, and I'm gonna try to hook it right here, I guess, to something. Let's see, I'll just hook it there. So now it's not on the carriage. So now the carriage will just roll back and forth. Now I'll just push the carriage release and slide it over to the right margin. Okay, now it's at the right margin. Now I'll push the right margin release and just keep moving it, and it just comes right off. And it just slides right off. And there's these rollers right here and right here that should roll. Mine didn't roll, but now they do. And then you just put it back on just the same way. Just put it back on, and it just goes right back on, and goes right back on, and it's on already. And now I just have to hook the drawband up again. Now I'm gonna hook the drawband back up right like that. Just somewhere like that, I guess. And now it should work. Yeah. It's working.